So in this video, I am going to show you guys some examples of great product and how they are managing to crush their competitions with great product, great images and great product listings. Now I will not go very deep into differentiating the product by reading the customer reviews, as I have already made a video on that topic. And we will just break down some products that manage to crush their competition and outsell their competition with great product listings, and break down how they are able to do that. So let's jump to the computer and look at that products. So let's look at the first product listing. So as you can see, this is one coffee brewer. Now if you are a big coffee fan, then you must know what this product is. So let's look deeper into this listing and just see how the images are done. So as you can see, this is the first image, that is the main image, and this is a really high quality image. Let's look at the second image. So as you can see, no wonder this product is getting much sales just because of this powerful listing. As you can also see, the bullet points are also good. Let's look at the third image. So they have utilized this space in describing the benefits of the product. So this is also one lifestyle image, and by this they are also trying to showcase one avatar for their product. So they are using this face just to relate with their customers. Now let's look at the next image. So here you can see they are showing how you can use it. I'm not sure this cup is included with it or not. They are also showcasing their dimensions. So another lifestyle image. Now let's look at their description. So they have used their A+ content, and you can see this is very professional looking description here. So when you are browsing your mobile app, you must have been seen that this part of the listing, that is the A+ content, this A+ content come after the images. So if you just see open this listing in a mobile app, so this is how the listing will look like in a mobile app, in Amazon's app. So the images comes first, then the next thing that comes is as you can see, the next thing that comes is the bullet point. But then what comes is the A+ content part. So let's look at the next product. So this is a chopping board, and this is how they have done their main image. Let's look at the second image. So they are describing their warranty in this second image. The third image, they are also describing some features and benefits of their product. Here also. Now they are also describing they're breaking down their dimensions of the product here in this image, and also adding and utilizing this space by providing one benefit of their product. Now they are trying to upsell here in this last image. So as you can see, this is also their product and they are trying to sell it through this listing too. This might happen that they have seen that this wooden chopping board is getting very much traffic, so they have put the emphasis to put the smaller cost item, which is this oil spray, in the image, and they are asking, so they're asking the people that are giving this listing to go and check out their other products too. So I'm sure they must have included any offer or coupon code after they purchase, if they purchase both same time. So this is their description. So they have also done the A+ content. So you can tell that now almost all big brands or small brands or the private level brands are using this A+ content. So here you can see this, save 10% when you purchase 2 or more of selected their brand name. So they are selling this alongside this product, their wooden chopping board. So let's look at the next listing. So this is a unique product. I'm not sure how varied this product will be in Indian marketplace. You can check it by yourself if this is a good opportunity or not. So the first image is also very good. They are describing their product very well in this main image. And the second image. So in the second image they are so the jars are not included in this product. So they are only selling this product. And then if they are only selling that product, then showing this jar in the first main image is against Amazon's terms of services. So I don't know how they are getting over it. So this might be a newly launched product. So this is a newly launched product and they will face problems afterwards. See, this jar is not included with it. Still they are using the jar in the first image. Now in the later images, after the first images, you can use other things to describe and to explain your product benefits. So this is the steps they are showing how you can use the product. They are describing the dimension, in which type of jars this fits on, and they have also one product video. Let's look if they have done the A+ content or not. Yes, they have done the A+ content. As you can see, maximum brands are using this place to provide more images of their product. Let's look at another product. So this is a vibrating foam roller, and let's check out its listings. So the first image is also done very good. As you can see, they have also put their product box here, and you see it is also a very good method of differentiating your product. So just imagine if your competitor is selling a product in just a normal box and you came up with a very good premium packaging that has your own customized design on that package with your brand logo, then what you can do is you can just put your product box along with your product. Then it might get more attention and outsell your competitors. So here you can see they are also describing one benefit here. This is also good image. Here it is also a lifestyle image, as well as they are describing in which parts this will affect, in which part you can use it. This is also a good image, and kind of a lifestyle image, where the product is shown how compact it is by showing the bag so that you can carry this product along with it if you are traveling to somewhere. This is also, you can see a lifestyle image showing their avatars here, most likely who are going to use this product. So they have also done one product video. Let's look at the enhanced brand content. So as you can see, this is a great example of A+ content. So they have left no place left to describe the benefits of their products. So this is exactly what you have to do while creating a listing. Now let's look at our last product. So this is a mop stick with the mop bucket. So they have also included bundled 3 extra refills with it. Now you can see the second image. They're describing their benefit and feature. These are really high quality images. Another feature here. So they are telling that their product, their mop stick can go under furnitures also. So this is how the product is, and they are telling that this is a telescopic handle by representing these 3 images. So they are telling that this product can fold to this short length, and again they can unfold and become more taller. You see, they have a great A+ content also, with a mixture of lifestyle image and benefit images, product benefits, product features. So no wonder these products are selling very good, as they have great product images too. So I am doing this case study so that you can get awesome ideas on how to differentiate and make your product better. Do this and order your computer's products and find out how you can make your product more better than that, so that your product can stand out from the rest of the competition. Product research do take time, so take the time and do what others are not doing. Be creative, as differentiation is the main key to sell on Amazon FBA. Always find ways to make your product better. So that's all for this video. Just remember one thing, you have to just take action, take the first step, and you will keep on learning along the way.